To change the keyboard language on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, and scroll down to Keyboard. On the top, you'll see the Keyboards menu, and inside here, there's a list of your current active keyboard layouts. You can edit the current list, or you can add a new keyboard, which essentially will be a new keyboard layout for a particular language. Once you add a new keyboard, you can switch between languages by using the little globe icon on the bottom of your keyboard. Tap it, and it'll change between your available languages. Tap and hold, and you'll get a menu that shows all available keyboards. There's also a language and region settings under your keyboard settings. These are slightly different because they affect your iPhone's system language, date formats, currency, Siri, etc. To put it short, keyboard languages is what you type. iPhone language and region is what you'll see across all the apps and menus on your phone. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all until next time.